to contact Apple support online on iPhone and iPad. So if you want to contact Apple support online on your iPhone or your iPad, then what you need to do is just watch this video. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your browser. In my case, I'll just simply go with Safari, and you need to search for Apple support. After that, go with support.apple.com and make sure that you've signed into your account. Once you've signed in, you need to just simply go and select the device. That might be your iPhone, your iPad, or any other device. I'll just simply go with iPhone. And then you'll have to select the option of Get Support, which will be on the bottom of your screen. So scroll all the way down and you will have support right here. You will have Get Support, or still need help, you need to go with Get Started, and it will take you to the support app. Or if you don't have the application, you can just simply go and install it from your app store. And after that, you need to go with the search topic, and under that, you need to go and search for any topic in which you are facing the problem. Like, I'll just simply scroll down and just simply go with more. And here, if you go with App Store, it will give you some suggestions, or you can just simply go with articles, or just go with Need More Help, which will be on the bottom, and you'll be able to chat in messages, or in some regions, it might also be available that you will have the option of Call Apple Support. You'll be able to call them. So in this way, you'll be able to contact Apple Support online on your iPhone or your iPad. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.